Chief Executive Member CEM Kajanda Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC Umathombor Shiwan, Ulaong bakalapangap kamday satya ka no man's land, Henry kaday ka badang hapapo uput usam ka Meghalaya, namarday ka District Council ka baay sernot siya waheshnong jong kanikashnong. Ha ka jing siya kamday satya ka no man's land, namarbaya kalapangap la itho na ka District Council, bat ya ka jingjit waheshnong lalit na ka GHADC. Kumta kalapangap kaday jong ka Meghalaya. Kamsyam lahap hakajaka bayakajya ong Umathombor habakaran siya kilat taikbor hakalaipaw tarik Rizal. Ula pentip ru baka jingjia badangsyan hakasnong lapangam West Giant Hills kaday kabalay icon shot da way uriw shimen. Henry hadu menta ompat syam lalapan itho ya uniw nongle kambaman. Ngamtip manu uni ubriw, Henry ngila menjur ban se madan ya uni ubriw, ubalale ya kanekakam. Henry ngim syam lalap dia ni ula benram. Katkum kajing ong jong kajing ot ya ukeba de kipat nong rep penar, kala jandap artan. CEM ula penpau ru baka syong suk syong shngan kadon hapadeng kajing pej beniat da kasor karjela, kabade ban syim ikisin jam ban kanglat bat yadai kinong syong shnong, kiba syong basa hakijaka, kibadan hakajing yakajya. Ula ong ru baka regional committee kabak mi halor ka block 1 kampat syamla syong jingalang na du ka election MLA. Bat ka jinglong jingman jo ka benta ka baar jo ka jinga keren penbet put kadang don hapadeng ka jingbam thikna. Habak kali laki ar sorkar kila penslam ban penbet yaki kam yaka japut haki hinriu tali ki jaka ki bedang saateng Umathombor ula ong baka la ru ban long kumta. Nalor kata ula banjur baka jing pelong ya ka jingalang barabor kila syak penthut namar ki election ha Assam bat Meghalaya kumju. Bat kebalawan ra ya ka jing ban yok pelong ya ki jingalang banyak keren halor uput usam. Ngamday chairman jong ka regional committee. Lada chairman ula ban khot pelong jingalang ngin ha banyak keren ya ka nikakam. Lada ngikwa pelong jingalang nakaliang ka jongi kumta ru kandon ki election ha Assam. Balada ka Assam ka kwa ban khot jingalang kumta ru kadon ki election ha Meghalaya. Kini kidai ki bajia ula benram.
Actually, not it is a no man's land because that village Lapangap was known by the district council, and the sanad of the headman also was issued by the district council. Meghalaya. Yeah.
So only thing was be retransferred, or they claim it.
I don't think that little part. This village Lapangap is not fall under that village under Kano. This is the law and order is not falling in the review of the district council, no, because law and order was fall under the state government. The state government can help or can prevent those portion of those people living in that disputed area. So to at present, because since last this MLA election till date we don't have any meeting, but I couldn't say we don't have any meeting. Because I'm not the chairman. No. The chairman will know. If the chairman can bring the meeting, then we have to discuss in the meeting what is the to be solved. That is to, it will happen from time to time. No. If we want the meeting from our side, then there will be an election in Assam. Then if Assam want to convene a meeting, there is an election in Meghalaya. This thing might be they don't want, they don't have any to complete this.
That means they purposely delay, they don't want to solve the issue. It appears like that. So Meghalaya is soft on that, you feel? Meghalaya should be a little more hard to pursue this issue.
Might be. Since the government would not draw the line, this is to Assam, this is to Meghalaya, this thing every time this dispute arises from time to time. We cannot say that this portion is of Assam, this portion of Meghalaya. So this village Lapangap, I think this is the first time. Nothing is happened like this. Now the harvesting almost already done. But we don't know who is that person exactly. We could not know. But we are agree to produce that person who did that, but we could not find it.